44 ASHA workers Gherao and locked down the Jampuijjala Primary Health Centre. The protest was initiated following the official announcement of accountant Uttam Debbarma's transfer. An ASHA worker has reported that accountant Uttam Debbarma has been transferred from Jampuijjala PHC to Boxnagar PHC. The staff urgently requests to assume new duties as accountant at Jampuijala Primary Health Centre as soon as possible to ensure uninterrupted financial operations.
Chini accountant boss by Suno political budget issue Bobamak Chini Bob shot in Bagui, Sung Bono, or Jagni, Sung transfer of Haya, Sung or Jagan night, Sung another night. Bono or Haya transfer of Haya, Sung Boba night, Boba Sung Sam Crab Aramano, Amani Bagus, Alpazaga or Haya, Bono or not on Ashini PSC, Jampuijjala, she is happy to not soon night, Sung Puno Zagatai or Haya.
Uttam Debbarma, Boka Boss, PSC or Hozamai.
Bonga Tabo, Tengo, PSC or Hozagnai. Only Bagus and Azaga or Haya, Nakabor Alakazaga or Dulcin or Haya.
Okay, Bob PSC or
Jampuijjala PSC. Yep, or Zagabono tonight, I give or a play or tonight. Alakazaga Aro Jekre Arangabunya Alakapano or the Hanson Ara, Saruton or Hayas. Accountant could have finding us into
Reported by Raju Jamatia from Jampuijjala, Chini Khorang.